Now let's begin with some health-related vocabulary. Listen carefully as Akuya says these Akan words for us. Eduro, ehuhuro, atridi, awo, yare, sa, yare. Now listen carefully as Akuya says these words in Akan again, and I provide the English translation. Eduro, drugs or medication. Ehuhuro, heat. Etridi, fever. Awo, cold. Yare, illness. Yare, to be ill. Sa, yare, to heal illness. Now listen carefully as Akuya says the words in Akan and we repeat after her. Eduro, eduro, ehuhuro, ehuhuro, atridi, etridi, awo, awo, yare, 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 sa, yare, sa, yare. Now listen to this dialogue between Akuya and myself. Akuya, ade na waye wanim sa. Wo yare ana.
Me hu fame.
Edie na yewo.
Miti yame ya. Awo deme.
Ehuhuro nso de wo ana.
Ane ayame se menya etridi.
Eniye esese wonom aduro.
Debi me pese me hu doctor. Manon same yare.
Enti wobeko yare sabia ana.
Ane.
Now listen carefully as Akuya says these phrases in Akan and I provide the English translation.
Akuya, adena waye wenim sa.
Akuya, why is it that your face is that way?
Wo yare ana.
Are you feeling ill?
Me hu fame.
I'm not feeling well.
Edina yewo.
What is wrong with you?
Miti yame ya.
My head is aching me.
Awo deme.
I'm cold, I'm feeling cold.
Ehuhuro onso de wo ana.
Are you also hot?
Ane, eye me se menya etridi.
Yes, it looks as if I have fever.
Enye, esese wonom eduro.
In that case, you have to take medicine.
Debi, me pese me hu doctor.
No, I want to see a doctor.
Manon same yare.
So that he or she heals me.
Enti wubeko ayare sabia ana.
So, will you go to the hospital?
Ane.
Yes. So now listen carefully as Akuya says these phrases in Akan and we repeat after her.
Akuya, adena waye wenim sa.
Akuya, adena waye wanim sa.
Wo yare ana.
Wo yare ana.
Me hu fame.
Me home fame.
Ediena yewo.
Ediena yewo.
Miti yame ya.
Meti yeme ya.
Awo deme.
Awo deme.
Ehuhuro onso de wo ana.
Ehuhuro nso de wo ana.
Ane, eye me se menya etridi.
Ane, eye me se menya etridi.
Enye, esese wonum eduro.
Enye, esese wonum aduro.
Debi, me pese me hu doctor.
Debbie, Mepese mehu doctor.
Mano same yarie.
Mano sa me yarie.
Enti wopeko ayaresabea ana.
Enti wobeko ayaresabea ana.
Ane.
Ane. I asked the kuya, Adena waye wanim sa. In that ye blank anim sa means to make blank face like that. This usually suggests that the person has a miserable looking face or the face of someone feeling in pain in this particular context. Here are some example sentences with ye blank anim sa. So here are some examples. Listen carefully as Akuya says these phrases in Akan for us.
Meye menim sa. Woye wenim sa. Kofi ye nenim sa. Oye nenim sa. Yeye yenim sa.
Now listen carefully as Akuya says these phrases in Akan and I provide the English translation.
Meye menim sa.
I make my face like that.
Woye wenim sa.
You make your face like that.
Kofi ye nenim sa.
Kofi makes his face like that.
Oye nenim sa.
He or she makes his or her face like that.
Yeye yenim sa.
We make our faces like that. So note, this is the sentence construct for these sentences. You would put your pronoun or your noun in the first blank. This is where your possessive pronoun goes that refers to this noun or pronoun. This is the possessive. Now listen carefully as Akuya says these phrases in Akan and we repeat after her.
Meye menim sa.
Meye menim sa.
Woye wenim sa.
Woye wenim sa.
Kofi ye nenim sa.
Kofi ye nenim sa.
Oye nenim sa.
Oye nenim sa.
Yeye yenim sa.
Yeye yenim sa. How would you say y'all make your faces like that?